What's up guys, welcome to Code Stash. Last video we learned to pull our project from GitHub. In this video we're gonna push our project to GitHub. Let's start the video. First we're gonna switch our project to the branch we created. Go to Git and change, check out the branch, and your branch will change to book detail properties. Then open the application properties file, copy application name and paste it and comment it. This is a test commit, so I'm gonna type commit message as test commit, then commit or commit and push. I'm gonna do commit and push. In the push commit to book details properties message will appear. Push your project to the GitHub, then you'll see the pushed one commit to origin book details properties branch. Go to your GitHub, you will see book details properties at recent pushed 5 seconds ago according to a time. Then change the branch book details properties. Go to the application properties file, you will see the changes you've done to the application properties file. Now we will edit this file again and pull it from our IDE. Edit file, again copy and paste. I'll rename it as details 2, then commit changes, your commit message, test commit to, then commit changes. Then go to your project, right click, Git, pull. You'll see the changes we have done in the GitHub website. So that's all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.